How's it guys? What's going on? My name is Prashant. Welcome back to Tech Scenes Edit. Today I have a little bit of a different video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you what we have running on our home server. So if this is your first time here at Tech Scenes Edit, you better make sure you subscribe because we put out awesome content on all kinds of topics, from product reviews, headphone reviews, camera reviews, networking videos, and even videos like this. So let's dive straight into it and have a look what we have on our server. So our server is a Dell server, dual Xeon. I think it has 64 gigs of RAM. It has 2 terabyte drives in there. And I'm not going to talk too much about it. If you guys want, you can go back to our server setup video. There's 3 videos. You can watch those. It's a bit of an old video, but it'll give you a rundown of it. But you shouldn't be too worried about it. But if you'd like to find out all the specs and stuff, you can watch that video. Links up there in the YouTube cards. So our server is based or is run on ESXI by VMware. So let's just log in there quickly. So our IP address is 10.0.0.5, and while this loads, alright, logged us in. So the host itself, now as I told you, 8 CPUs, whatever, or 68 gigs of RAM. I'm not sure what happened there. Yeah, and then because we are running at RAID 5, we have 9 terabytes worth of capacity in our drives, but all that's not important. So we are running, or we have 5 virtual machines on the server. Main one is our server 2012. Then we have our DMP video editing VM. We also have a photo editing VM, but we don't really use that very often. And then we have our own cloud VM, and then a server 2007, which I don't think ever got used. It was just a test bench for me to try something out. So our main server, the server 2012, that is the bread and butter, or our main backbone of our server, and it runs virtually everything that we use on the server. So basically the server 2012, it houses all of our network shares. So as you can see, 1 terabyte digital media storage, 3 terabytes of multimedia storage, 100 gigs general, 100 gigs DMP stuff, 1 terabyte worth of my personal stuff, another terabyte worth of tech scene video stuff, and then a terabyte for the vlogs, and then 500 or 50 gigs for business stuff, right? And that is majority of, or that's the main thing that we use on our server, is the network shares, right? But the second thing that this the server 2012 runs, it runs our Plex media server. So that's another video what we did, where we created our own personal Netflix with the use of Plex. Unfortunately, we don't use Plex that much, and actually before I started recording, I said let me just open up and see if Plex is actually running for me to show you guys in the video, and it wasn't working. I had to troubleshoot. There was a whole lot of corrupt stuff, and just for me to get it working. That's the second thing that runs here, right? The third thing that we set up was our own cloud VM, which you guys just saw here. Own cloud VM, that too, it doesn't get used anymore because we don't really transfer files and stuff. And if there is something really important, we dump it onto the general share, and then we all can grab it from there. Other than that, I mean, main thing, our The second most important thing that we run from our server is our editing. VM. We have Adobe installed there, and we do all our editing off this VM. So the one main question would be, Sean, why are you editing off a VM? And the unfortunate thing is, I don't have a high-end machine for me to edit off a PC or a laptop, and this is what I had at my disposal, and it's been working fine for the past couple of whiles, and I haven't been having an issue with it. And this is actually the main reason that the server comes on nowadays. It only comes on when I need to edit or if I need files off the server. So this is the Blitzwolf ANC 5 review that we just uploaded. Okay, let's get off here. And there are some other applications, well, not really important applications. Like on server 2012, I have a uTorrent server running, and that's just to download stuff. But other than that, yeah, it's just the server comes on for the shares and for video editing. And that's the unfortunate thing, is that it's only being used for those two purposes. And I think with the cost of electricity going up as it is in South Africa and all these other factors, it no longer makes sense to keep the server on. And it's not like you're just leaving a PC on. Now this is running big fans, and it's really noisy. I mean, let me take you guys for a walk just to see how noisy it is. This is it, right outside my door, and that's how noisy it actually is. So it doesn't make sense us having it on all the time, and even just for things like watching videos and movies, it doesn't make sense for us to have it on all the time. And that's actually the reason for me making this video today, for me just to show you guys what's here, and all of this will make sense in the coming weeks and months, because there's big changes coming to our workflow as well as to our network and the infrastructure. So yeah, that brings our video to an end. Bit of a short video, but I hope you guys liked it and liked the behind the scenes look of what actually goes on. You guys are tilting, by the way. Yeah, I hope that's better. Yeah, I hope you guys like that little behind the scenes, and yeah, just to have a look at the back end of stuff, just so you guys can understand, and that things will make sense later on when we start doing stuff. And it all starts with this. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prashant. If you enjoyed these videos, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. And if you aren't subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss out any core content from us. Yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video.